Friends, today we are going to do some great all mobile experiment like stopping your heartbeat. In the first experiment, iPhone X versus Samsung Galaxy S8 water freezing test. We dip the two phones in the water. Then we froze the two phones inside the freeze. First, we took the iPhone X out of the ice. The iPhone is still active and working fine. Then we took the second phone, Samsung Galaxy S8, out of the ice. This phone also worked very well, so the two phones did not have any problem in the ice water. What will happen to the phone if friends left on top of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip shutter blades? As soon as the mobile shutter blades hit, the smoke started coming out. The lower part was completely destroyed. In this experiment, we also took Samsung Galaxy Flip to 5G. At first, we tried to back the phone by hand. Then we hit the display of the phone with a hammer. With one hammer after another, we started hitting the phone. We pulled the display up by the hand and opened it. We tried to turn on the display many times but failed. You can see the condition of the pack. We are going to do a horrible experiment on this mobile of iPhone. We put the phone on top of the fireworks display. As soon as the fireworks were set on fire, a very hot flame started coming out. The phone is completely damaged, going to be backed by hand. Friends, we will give the current shot on this phone. Let's see what the condition of the phone is. As soon as the shot was giving, the display started ticking. The display started turning on and off incessantly. Suddenly the display turned off and there was no way to turn the display on. We will leave hot lava on this phone. Can the phone deal with lava? The phone is still active even after release heated lava from above. But the surprising this is that the phone is still working. It is possible to cut a mobile with the help of paper. Now we will do this experiment. We have attached a piece of paper with angle grinder cutting machine. But the incredible thing is that it is possible to cut off the phone with the help of paper. Now we will leave the Nokia phone on top of the shutter blade. The Nokia phone is a piece of tape. A button of a press will be able to pierce the phone with a drill machine. Yes friends, with the help of drill machine, we are able to drill a few holes around the phone. What would happen to the mobile if a friend dropped the Nokia 3310 model from the helicopter? But incredibly, the Nokia phone is now active.